Hornet Nation. This screencast is for virtual students. So those students who are going to stay online only even after we begin our full hybrid schedule on Monday, March 1st. In some ways, there's not a whole lot that's changing for you all, but there are some changes that you'll want to be aware of. So whereas you had been attending Google Meets here and there on Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, so meaning that you had some breaks during your day, you weren't going to all of your classes Monday through Thursday. You're now going to go to all of your classes, first period through 8th period, but you're only going to do that on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And then Mondays and Wednesdays will be asynchronous all day, just like your Fridays have been all year long. So just to reiterate, am I saying that you're going to go to every class on Tuesdays and Thursdays in Google Meet? Yes, that is absolutely what I'm saying. For some of you, you might be thinking, oh my gosh, that's so much better. We should have been doing that the whole time. Some of you might be thinking, oh man, that's a lot of Google Meet. I would be more in that second camp of that's a lot of Google Meet. So for some of you, it's going to be a super simple transition. For some of you, it's maybe going to take a little more getting used to, but that is what we're going to be doing. So some of you may have originally been scheduled to be a hybrid student. So back in the fall when your adults filled out the surveys about whether you were going to return to school or not. The plan may have originally been that you would come to school, and as time has passed and as more information has come to light, maybe that decision doesn't make as much sense anymore. So if you were originally scheduled as a hybrid student, please contact your counselor or administrator and let them know. Everyone's coded as either an A-Day student, a B-Day student, or a virtual student in HACC based on that fall survey. And this designation is important for planning and contact tracing and attendance, so we want to be really sure that it's accurate. So again, if you need to make a change, contact your counselor or administrator. If you have questions beyond what's in this video, please check the Hornet Buzz first. The Hornet Buzz has a wealth of information, and if you can't find the answer to your question there, then reach out to your teachers or counselors. We want you to be confident that you know what's going on as we make this transition, so don't hesitate to reach out. And to close, I want to remind you that even though this transition is maybe not as dramatic for you as it is for the students who are going to be coming to school, it is still sort of a new beginning. So if you haven't had a good school year so far, it's not too late to change that. Your routine is going to change anyway, even if your venue for attending class isn't changing. So take advantage of the opportunity to bust out of any bad habits that formed throughout quarantine and replace them with good ones. Even though we're not going to see you in person soon, we're still looking forward to seeing you in Google Meet. Take care and protect the nest.